Hello. In our last class, we were discussing about liquid pressure, and I have told you what is meant by liquid pressure. Liquid pressure represents a thrust per unit area of surface of an object that is in contact with the liquid. Suppose an object or a surface is in contact with the liquid. We know liquid exerts normal force on that surface. Normal force exerted by the surface, normal force exerted by liquid on any surface that is in contact with it is called as thrust. Thrust per unit area is called as liquid pressure. I have told you liquid pressure is measured in Newton per meter square, or it can also be measured in units of Pascal. The dimensional formula for liquid pressure is M1, L minus 1, T minus 2, and the pressure is a scalar quantity. Also, there are some practical units for measuring pressure, and you should be familiar with those practical units of pressure. Practical units of pressure. See, there are basically two practical units of pressure. One is torque. One is torque, and the another is bar. These are the two practical units of pressure. Now, pressure na torque athwa bar vada kuda express madabodu. Remember, one torque is equals to 133 Pascal. One torque is equals to 133 Pascal, and one bar is equals to 10 to the power of 5 Pascal. You should remember the conversion between torque and Pascal, bar and Pascal. One torque is equals to 133 Pascal, and one bar is equals to 10 to the power of 5 Pascal. So these are the two practical units of pressure. After all understanding what is meant by liquid pressure, it is also important that you understand the concept of atmospheric pressure. What is meant by atmospheric pressure? Atmospheric pressure antandrenu, that should be known. Atmospheric pressure. See, atmospheric pressure is the pressure exerted by the atmosphere, right? The pressure exerted by the atmosphere is called as atmospheric pressure. The pressure exerted by atmosphere is called as atmospheric pressure. Hagadre, what is meant by atmosphere? See, we say atmospheric, or we define atmospheric pressure as pressure exerted by atmosphere. Hagadre, what is meant by atmosphere? Atmosphere antandre enu antandre the gaseous envelope that is surrounding us. Nam ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಇರೋ gaseous envelope ne ನಾವು atmosphere ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So what is atmosphere antandre? Atmosphere, the gaseous envelope that is surrounding us. The gaseous envelope surrounding us is called as atmosphere. The gaseous envelope surrounding us is called atmosphere. See, suppose we have a vessel containing water in it. Suppose the vessel is filled completely with water, and the vessel is kept open to the atmosphere. Andre navenu idr mele en lid close madilla, it is kept open to the atmosphere. Then the gaseous envelope that is surrounding this vessel will be exerting a pressure on the surface of this liquid. The pressure exerted by the atmosphere on any surface is called as atmospheric pressure, which we generally represent as PA. Atmospheric pressure is represented as PA. This is atmospheric pressure, right? Even there is another practical unit for pressure called atmosphere. Pressure is also expressed in atmospheres. And you should remember 1 atmosphere is equals to 1.013 into 10 to the power of 5 Pascal. 1 atmosphere is equals to 1.013 into 10 to the power of 5 Pascal. This is 1 atmosphere, right? Pressure can even be expressed in atmospheres. So this is regarding atmospheric pressure and the atmosphere. You should know what is meant by atmosphere. After understanding what is atmospheric pressure and what is atmosphere, you should know the device that is used to measure atmospheric pressure. The device that is used to measure atmospheric pressure is called as barometer. What is a barometer antandre? It is a device used to measure a device used to measure atmospheric pressure. A device used to measure atmospheric pressure is called a barometer. So atmospheric pressure na measure madlikke use ಮಾಡೋ device na ನಾವು barometer ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. We have barometers in our laboratories. Once the college reopens, you can just come out to the laboratory and see the barometers. We have barometers in our laboratories. So using barometer, it is possible to measure the atmospheric pressure. And remember, it was Torricelli who devised this barometer. It was a person by name Evangelista Torricelli who devised the barometer, right? So on barometer hagirtade nodri. How does a barometer look like, or how to construct a barometer, that should be understood. See, in order to construct a barometer, we need to consider a trough of water, or you consider water instead there will be mercury. You need to consider mercury in a vessel. Let us suppose this vessel be filled with mercury, right? And you should have a 1 meter long tube. Ee reeti 1 meter long tube irಬೇಕು. It must be closed at one end and should be open at the other end. Ee reeti 1 meter long tube irಬೇಕು. The length of this tube is 1 meter, and this tube must be completely filled with mercury again. Ee tube na kuda ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, this tube must be completely filled with mercury. This tube must be completely filled with mercury, right? So we have a vessel containing mercury here. This vessel is not completely filled with mercury. This vessel in mercury in the completely filled agiralla. We have taken some quantity of mercury in this vessel, right? We have taken some quantity of mercury in this vessel, and we have a long tube of length about 1 meter, which is completely filled with mercury. This long tube, right, will be completely filled with mercury. Now, what is to be done is, once this long tube is completely filled with mercury, you have to close the open end of the tube. A tube the open end na close ಮಾಡಿ. If this is the tube and suppose this is the open end, ಈ open end na ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ thumb ಇಂದ ಈ ರೀತಿ close ಮಾಡಿ, it must be inverted into the vessel containing mercury. The tube ಏನದಲ್ಲ, the tube of length 1 meter containing mercury, the open end of the tube should be closer with the thumb, and this tube of length 1 meter should now be inverted into the vessel containing mercury. And once the tube is completely inside the mercury containing vessel, you have to open the thumb. Once the tube is completely inside the mercury, open the thumb. ನೀವು ಈ ಥಂಬ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಈ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು 1 ಮೀಟರ್ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಮರ್ಕ್ಯುರಿ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಆ 1 ಮೀಟರ್ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಒಳಗಿರೋ ಮರ್ಕ್ಯುರಿ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮರ್ಕ್ಯುರಿ ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಡೌನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ವೆಸಲ್. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ದ open end of this tube with the thumb and invert the tube into this vessel containing mercury. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. And once the tube is completely inside mercury taken in the vessel, you can now take away the thumb. Thumb ತೆಗೆದು ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. Thumb ತೆಗೆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಈ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮರ್ಕ್ಯುರಿ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಈ 1 ಮೀಟರ್ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಮರ್ಕ್ಯುರಿ ಇತ್ತು. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಫಿಲ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಮರ್ಕ್ಯುರಿ. ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮರ್ಕ್ಯುರಿ ಈ ವೆಸಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಮರ್ಕ್ಯುರಿ ಇನ್ ದ ವೆಸಲ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಸ್. ಈ ವೆಸಲ್ ಒಳಗಿನ ಮರ್ಕ್ಯುರಿ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮರ್ಕ್ಯುರಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಆರ್ ಎ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮರ್ಕ್ಯುರಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಡೌನ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ವೆಸಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಮರ್ಕ್ಯುರಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಇನ್ನ ಮರ್ಕ್ಯುರಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಉಳಿದಿರ್ತದೆ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ದ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಫಿಲ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಮರ್ಕ್ಯುರಿ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಈ ರೀಜನ್ ಆಗಿ. ದಿಸ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಯೂಮ್. ಈ ರೀಜನ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಮರ್ಕ್ಯುರಿ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದ ಮರ್ಕ್ಯುರಿ ಈ ವೆಸಲ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಯೂಮ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತದೆ. ದೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ನಾಟ್ ಈವನ್ ಏರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ರೀಜನ್. ಈ ರೀಜನ್ ನಾವು ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ Torricelli vacuum. ಈ ರೀಜನ್ ಏನದಲ್ಲ this region which doesn't contain anything is called as Torricelli vacuum. ಈ ರೀಜನ್ ನಾವು Torricelli vacuum ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. This region is called as Torricelli vacuum. So once the tube is inverted into the vessel containing mercury, a small portion of the mercury from the tube goes into the vessel and the upper portion of the tube will be left out with vacuum, and that vacuum is called as Torricelli, or that region of the tube is called as Torricelli vacuum. So this is how a barometer is constructed. Ignore this point is inside the tube and this point is outside the tube, and this point say B, and let this point be A. A is a point inside the tube and B is the point outside the tube, and we can see that point B is kept open to the atmosphere. Hagadre at point B the pressure acting is the atmospheric pressure. At point B the pressure acting is the atmospheric pressure. If you observe the point A and point B, point A is inside the mercury, point B inside the mercury tube, point B is kept open to the atmosphere. We can observe that point A and point B are at same horizontal level. Point A and point B enavalla, they both are at same horizontal level. We can write point A and point B are at same horizontal level. ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ನಾಗೆ ಅವೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ? Point and point they are at same horizontal level. According to Pascal, Pascal ಅನ್ನೋದು its name of a scientist. According to Pascal, pressure at the points will be the same. Pressure at points will be the same if they are at same horizontal level in a liquid. If two points are at same horizontal level in a liquid, the pressure at those 2 points will be the same. Ignore point B and point A are at same horizontal level, so we can write thus pressure at B will be equal to pressure at A. Pressure at B will be equal to pressure at A. We know pressure at B is nothing but atmospheric pressure. Pressure at B is nothing but atmospheric pressure. But pressure at B is nothing but atmospheric pressure because point B is kept open to the atmosphere. Thus, from equation 1, we can write atmospheric pressure. See, atmospheric pressure can be written as PA. Atmospheric pressure is equals to pressure at A. What is pressure at A antandre? A hatra ಎಷ್ಟು pressure ade antandre? The pressure at A is the pressure exerted by this height of the mercury. E height of mercury enadalla, the mercury inside the tube will be exerting pressure at A. E mercury the height estirthude antandre, the height of the mercury in this glass tube will be about 76 centimeter. 76 centimeters, right? So the pressure at A is 76 centimeter of column of mercury. If pressure at A had calculate madam next step. So pressure or atmospheric pressure will be equal to pressure at point A. It hage irli, how to calculate pressure at point A, that we'll discuss. So what is a mercury barometer or what is a barometer? That should be clear. A barometer is a device used to measure atmospheric pressure. A barometer consists of a vessel containing mercury, a long glass tube of length, 1 meter, filled completely with mercury. What is to be done? The glass tube which is completely filled with mercury, is to be inverted into the vessel containing mercury. Once this is done, a small portion of mercury from glass tube, goes into the vessel, and a region of vacuum will be created in the glass tube, and this region of vacuum is called as Torricelli vacuum. This is called Torricelli vacuum. And because point A and point B are at same horizontal level, according to Pascal, if 2 points are at same horizontal level in a liquid, then pressure at those 2 points should be the same. Yaudadru 2 points same level na idvu antandre liquid orge, the pressure at those 2 points will be the same. Now you can observe point A and point B are at same horizontal level inside the liquid. Hagadre pressure at A and pressure at B should be the same. What is pressure at B antandre? Because point B is open to the atmosphere, pressure at B will be the atmospheric pressure. So pressure at B will be the atmospheric pressure. We can write pressure at B is equals to pressure at A because points A and B are at same level or same horizontal level. They both are at same horizontal level. then we can write PB as atmospheric pressure, nothing but PA. Atmospheric pressure is nothing but PA. So ಈ PB ನೇ ನಾನು PA ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. That is equals to P capital A. P capital A is pressure exerted by 76 centimeter column of mercury. 76 centimeter column of mercury. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನೀವು 1 ಮೀಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 100 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ 100 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಮರ್ಕ್ಯುರಿ ಫಿಲ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮರ್ಕ್ಯುರಿ ವೆಸಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಬೌಟ್ 24 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮರ್ಕ್ಯುರಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ವೆಸಲ್. ಇನ್ನು ಉಳಿಯೋದೆಷ್ಟು ಮರ್ಕ್ಯುರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಓನ್ಲಿ 76 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮರ್ಕ್ಯುರಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ the 76 centimeter column of mercury, the 76 centimeter column of mercury will be exerting pressure at point 10. ಈ pressure ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ತದೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. What will be the pressure exerted by 76 centimeter height of mercury? That is to be calculated, right? That will do in the later stages. ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. So go through the construction of barometer. Barometer ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿ, and how is it constructed, what is meant by torricelli vacuum, this is to be known. Idadmele we have hydrostatic paradox other that will try to understand what is meant by hydrostatic paradox, and also will try to understand variation of pressure with depth inside a liquid, right? So we'll do that in the next class. Idishtu first nodri iduna mugsi to write notes on it. In the next class, tomorrow I'll be taking up live class. In the tomorrow's class, we'll derive expression for pressure exerted or pressure, variation of pressure with depth inside liquid, and we'll try to understand hydrostatic paradox and the Pascal's law. Thank you.